pinapayagan ng intrazonal or interzonal travel subject sa reasonable restriction base sa edad at comorbidities as may be determined by the accepting LGUs. Isa-isahin naman natin po ang bawal o hindi po pwede sa Alert Level 3. No? Ito po mga bawal. Face-to-face or in-person classes for basic education. Contact sports except those na kinukonduct po sa bubble-type setup. No? Number 3, yung funfair, ferias, and amusement industries, yung mga playgrounds, playroom, kiddie rides, bawal pa rin po. Yung mga venues with live voice or wind instrument performance and audiences, mga karaoke, bawal pa rin po clubs, concert halls, at theaters. Yung mga casinos, horse trading, cockfighting, and operation of cockpits, lottery, and other betting stations, and other gaming establishments, except when authorized by the ITF or the Office of the President. At saka yung mga gathering in residences with individuals not belonging to the same household. Bawal pa rin po yung pagtitipon na sa mga bahay-bahay na hindi kasama sa mga kasama sa bahay. No? Ano naman po ang allowed? Well, ang allowed po ang general rule is 30% indoor venue pero para lang po yan sa fully vaccinated. No? At 50% outdoor venue para sa lahat, whether or not fully vaccinated or hindi vaccinated. Kasama na po dito sa rule na 30% ay ang MICE, yung meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, yung social events para sa mga venues, para sa mga parties, wedding receptions, engagement parties, etc. Yung mga visitor or tourist attractions, gaya po ng mga libraries, archives, museums, galleries, exhibits, park, plazas, public gardens, scenic viewpoints or overlooks, amusement parks or theme parks. Yung recreational venues, gaya po ng internet cafes, billiard halls, amusement arcades, bowling alleys, public gardens, scenic viewpoint, bowling alleys, skating rings, archery halls, swimming pools at similar venue, cinemas and movie houses. Pero 30% po lang vaccinated. At saka yung mga examinations na pwede nang ma-administer. Mga entrance, qualifying examinations na mga iba't ibang government agencies at mga iba pang mga test at examinations na na-approve ng IATF. Kasama rin po sa pwede na 30% indoor venue para sa mga fully vaccinated at 50% para sa outdoor ay ang in-person religious gatherings. Kasama na po dyan yung para sa mga necrological service, wakes, interment, funerals, para po doon sa mga namatay other than COVID-19 at saka yung cremains of COVID-19 deceased. No? Yung mga dine-in services po ngayon, 30% yan for fully vaccinated, 50% for outdoor. Yung personal care establishment, mga barbero, hair spas, hair salons, nail salons, yung mga aesthetic, cosmetic services, procedures, mga makeup services, salon, spa, reflexology, and other similar procedure. Ang mga gyms and fitness studios, patuloy pong bukas sila. At saka ang mga film, music, TV production subject to the guidelines po na inisyu ng DTI, DOLE at ng DOH. Now, samantala, inaprubahan din po ng inyong IATF ang paglalagay